The inventor of the pressure gauge is truly talented. The threaded socket of the pressure gauge is typically connected to the fluid pipeline, allowing it to measure the pressure of the fluid within the system. The pressure gauge's pointer indicates the pressure level. Now, let's delve into its internal structure. The pressure sensing element, also known as the wave lamp tube, has a C-shaped, thin-walled metal tube with an elliptical cross-section. Its working principle relies on elastic deformation waves. When pressure is applied, the lamp tube deforms, and this deformation is directly proportional to the applied pressure. One end of the tube is fixed to the base, while the other end is connected to a micro gear set. The pointer is linked to the gear output shaft. As the flexible tube deforms, this deformation is translated into the rotation of the gear, which in turn drives the pointer to rotate. When the pressure decreases, the tube returns to its original position, causing the pointer to rotate